showers tomorrow. Obviously tomorrow is Christmas Day. Today's video is going to be basically the journey up there and the van camp, and then I'm going to do different videos for each day. I'm not too sure how long I'm going to stay up there. I'm not back at work until the 2nd, so maybe stay up there until the new year. Sorry, who knows. But we'll, yeah, just see how it goes, see how the boys do, see how they get on, and we'll just go from there. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I'm gonna stick that in my face. I am absolutely starving right now, so yeah, I'll get doing this journey a little bit further up the road, and then I will, yeah, catch up with you in a bit. I'm supposed to eat this, but we'll give it a go. Whoa. This will be the first proper video I'll have posted in around about 2 years, after posting a couple and they didn't do too bad, got subscribers from it, but I was just getting exhausted. A full-time job, then I had my training on top of it, which I run ultras, I race ultras in the mountains. I've got 2 Vizslas. I had one of them was a puppy at the time. I road cycle, you know, as well as hiking, which is what I'm going to be putting on this channel, and obviously wild camping, carting all that kit up the hills, and on top of my training and things like that. I just found I was constantly exhausted for quite some time, so I ended up selling my drone, I ended up selling all my cameras, I ended up just selling everything. I had about 4 or 5 really good wild camping videos to post, and I just deleted them all. I just needed to forget about it. But since having had a break from it, I've still been feeling tired over the last 18 months, you know, and mainly during events I've had to just stop after 10 minutes because something hasn't just been right with my body, basically. So at the moment I'm currently going through some health tests, some significant health tests as well, just to see what's going on with my body and just see why it isn't responding properly. do after the new year. Maybe by the time I post this out, I might know what's going on a little bit more. Yeah, it's just something isn't right, and I've had one set of blood tests done about 3 weeks ago. So today's the 24th of December, so 3 weeks ago from today, and my blood levels were just all over the place, just off the scale, which explains a lot. I've just pretty much been soldiering on through it all. Just everybody gets tired, you know. Everybody has a life. Everybody needs a nap now and again. It's just how it is. But I was doing a little bit more than that, and I needed to see somebody basically. So I've so far been diagnosed with severe anemia, which is yeah, it's pretty bad. People say, I mean, it's just low on iron, but honestly, I think there's a little bit more to it than that. So I'm currently on six months worth of medication now. I can't run at the moment. I just get breathless pretty much within the first 5 or 10 minutes, even running on the flat. So all I can do is hike and ride the bike indoors, which is a turbo trainer. That I can do. I can control my heart rate and my breathing so much better than running. So I'm just not doing that at the moment. So the reason why I've now started to give YouTube a go again, because now running is taken out of the equation and I can hike. This is basically a hiking and wild camping and a van life channel. I've now got a bit of time to do that. So what I'm going to do is, while I'm going through all these health things, I'm going to be going around driving to just random places, me and the dogs. Just no plan. You guys are going to come with me. I'm going to film it all. I'm going to see how it goes. I'm going to do it for 12 months. I'll probably find out what's wrong with me before then, but I'm going to do it for the next 12 months. Give this channel a go. Take everybody with me, with us, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on everything what's going on with myself along the way, and I just hope you enjoy it. The videos might not be like some of them on YouTube, but hopefully as the weeks go on, hopefully they will get better. I'm gonna plan to post short videos like randomly, just about where we are, what we're doing, you know, me, dogs, whatever, and full length videos. I'm going to aim to post one out every Saturday at 8 AM, but every second Saturday for now. Then at least that gives me the leeway. If I'm feeling exhausted, I can just miss a week, you know, because health's number one at the end of the day. So we're going to just see how it goes. I'm going to try my hardest to keep it going, and with the support of you guys subscribing, it'll help massively. You know, knowing you guys want to see me and the three in the back doing 30 minutes left. I hope you can see me. Yeah, I've just got the light on in the cab. Let's see if I can pop another one on. Hopefully that's a bit better. So we've got about 30 minutes left and I've come up with a loose plan. So I think tonight I'm going to stay in the Glencoe ski place. I forgot what it's called. Glencoe Mountain maybe. Just because they have showers and I could do with the shower tonight. It just keeps everything stress free. Tomorrow I've got an idea for a couple of hikes which I will confirm with you over dinner tonight, because we haven't quite decided which one to do. But the weather looks absolutely incredible, and remember tomorrow is Christmas Day, so I'm thinking going for a sunrise hike. Yep, so we will see what I decide on later. So just going to crack on with the rest of this drive and I will see you in around 30 minutes. See you at Glencoe. This is the Glencoe, yeah, Glencoe Mountain. Let's see if this place is open. Hopefully we won't have an issue. Maybe be other people up here. I don't know. We'll soon see. Maybe have neighbours for the night. Not sure if there is actually anybody here. Am I supposed to be here? I don't know. Is there going to be other people here? I don't know. Will the showers be open? Let's hope so. Just have a little drive around and see what we're up against. Oh, there's a van. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 friends. So that's good. So that must mean that the showers are open. Let's go and have a little check. Let's hope these are open. Men's. Oh. Train room. Amazing. Oh. So managed to have a little park up. As you'll have seen, the showers are open. Amazing. Just been talking to a guy by the entrance of the cafe. He's here on his own. He said he's got Wi-Fi and everything up there. Yeah, should be a good night. Just gonna have 5 minutes. Let the dogs out for a wee. Time me on. It's only 6:20. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've actually been to work today, so I've managed to finish work and I packed everything up last night and just drove straight here. So all I'm going to do is just have 5 minutes, take the dogs out for a little walk around, and then I'll bring you back when I've got sorted it in the back of the van. Get some food on, give you a little look around the back of the van. It's nothing special, but yeah, basic, all I need for now anyways. Alright, bring you back in a bit. I don't know if you can see on the floor, but it's so frosty. It's so frosty at the moment. It's about I think it's about -2. As you can see, there's this little Bertie the Berlingo over there. Then there's another 3. And there's another van over there. So should be a half decent night, nice and quiet. There's to be no parties on Christmas night tonight. I won't be drinking any alcohol, that's for sure. So yeah, take these 2 out. Floor's a little bit lively tonight. It's basically just been stuck in a van for 5 hours. Poor thing. But tomorrow we'll burn off a little bit of energy tomorrow at least. So yeah, I'll get back to you with the hike later on. Let's get these 2 out. Let them have a wee. Hopefully number 2, then I'll get them fed. Then I'll come back to you in a bit. It's absolutely freezing. Whew. So then, let's get some food on. That's the dog sorted. Now time to get me sorted. Oi, 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 oi. Sit, 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 sit. Let's see. So at the moment outside it's about -3. Now I've got a little heater in here. I'll show you what it is in a little bit. I've just had it on for around less than 5 minutes. I just got started. I started burning, and it was on the lowest setting. Absolutely incredible little thing. But I've knocked it off while I've got the cooker on, because I'm guessing this is going to obviously give off a little bit of heat. So yeah, today we have smoked cheese slices with quarter-pounder burgers. What else have we got? Got some pork sausages, and then also some brioche burger buns. Love those. Time we on? It's 7 PM. So get some scran on. See what time that takes us to. So I forgot a frying pan. So I'm gonna have to basically fry my burgers in a saucepan. If this isn't camping, I don't know what is. Right, let's see if this works. Oi oi. There we go. I hope you can see me okay there. This is the first time I have obviously filmed in this van. It's just a small Berlingo. I'll give you a show around tomorrow when it's daylight in the next video, which is going to be the hike. Yeah, it does me for now. Obviously I've got 3 dogs in here as well. You can probably see them in the background. Thor, this one here, there we go. Thor, this one here is a bit lively, so Thor needs a lot of exercise, and well, so does Odin as well, but he's still quite young, so hopefully bringing him out on these videos, getting him used to camping, small places, hopefully he'll start to get the gist of it. Anyways, let's see what's going on. Sorry, mid conversation there. See what's going on with this. Whoa. Jeez, that needs to turn down. Oi, oi, oi. Turn this down a little bit. It's also the first time I've used this cooker. So I usually use one from Highlands. This one, God, I bought this from Aldi. Call it Adventure Ridge. Got it from Aldi about a year ago. Just been sitting in the cupboard. So I thought, you know what? New videos, new heater. Might as well just test everything out. See how everything goes. I have no doubt there might be a few things that goes wrong this weekend and into next week as well. I haven't quite decided how long I'm going to be out for, so we'll see. Can I fit another burger in there? Let me see if I can put some sausages in instead of a burger. Slice them down the middle. Let it cook a little bit faster. Oh shit. Got my sausages everywhere. There we go. Jesus, this is powerful, man. That is powerful. Honestly guys, you don't need much else in one of these cookers to go camping. Honestly, they're really, really good. The one from Halfords cost me peanuts as well, pretty much. So while they're cooking, I'll tell you where I'm going to be going on a hike tomorrow. So I am looking at doing if I pronounce it right, let's just move you around this way a wee bit. There we go. So if I pronounce it right, Buckhill Etive Moor and the ridge. So in the morning I'm going to probably set off in the dark. So I want to do a sunrise hike. So you probably won't be able to see from the van, but where my back doors are facing, that is literally straight onto basically Etive Moor. I've camped here before in summer, spring, and the view of it is incredible. But unfortunately, we've turned up when it's dark. It's been getting a little bit dark. I was hoping to get here a little bit earlier today, but just with work, man. And I was waiting for the heater to get delivered too. But we've made it here. Still only just gone 7. Plenty of time to have a plan for tomorrow, and I don't actually know where I'm going to be sleeping tomorrow either, so I might have a little look at that shortly. Yeah, let's have a look at this route. So it is, so you're just basically straight up from the main road, little car park just set off the road, go straight up the middle, and then just straight up to, I think this is how you pronounce it, Stobderg. It's 1021 metres, and Stobnador 1010 metres, then over to, oh sorry, phone's gone off, Stobnabrog. Yeah, I've probably just crucified those there. So it should be a good day out, test the lungs. Like I said earlier in the video, I've been really struggling lately, so all I can really do is just hike, take it easy, just enjoy being in the outdoors again really. My running's basically been taken away from me. I'm just so out of puff when I am. I need to cook these sausages, 2 seconds. Oh. Yeah, I'm just so out of puff when I'm running. There's just absolutely no point. There's no point at all. It's just, might as well just go for a long walk somewhere, which is what I'm going to carry on doing. And you guys are going to be coming with us on every single one. Which is a shame, but not about you guys coming with us, but just that something's going on, man. Something's going on with my body and I just don't know what it is. But we'll see. We shall see, as I say. Just down there. Oh, it's nice and warm in here now with this cooker on. Oof. It's going to be down to my shorts. I'm going to crack on and cook the rest of this. As soon as it's done, I'll bring you back, and yeah, I'll see if I can have a little think about where to camp tomorrow. At the moment I have absolutely no idea. So yeah, cook this, bring you back in a bit. Ooh. We have food. How's about that? Can you see it? Let's do some of that. Look at that. Oh, I did have onions as well, but I just can't be arsed chopping them tonight. So this will have to do. It's getting warm in here. You wouldn't think it was -2 outside. Holy shit. So hot. Let's move you around a little bit. Let's just move you there. There we go. I'm going to make another one. Nice. Nice. Odin. Oi, 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 oi. Nice. Good boy. Nice. Oi. Now then, welcome back. So that's me, just been chilling. I think I've just been chilling for around about nearly 2 hours. Absolutely exhausted. So it is now 9:50 p.m. Just been chilling for around 2 hours. It's been chilled in my sleeping bag. I'm absolutely exhausted. And if you can see, got Charlie the pug. Charlie the pug in the sleeping bag as well. Just keep him nice and warm. Don't think you've been introduced to him yet. Yeah, save that for the next one of the next videos. But yeah, Charlie's here as well. He's 16, so he just hides away doing his own little thing while me and the other two that are, I'll show you, the other two that are asleep there, just underneath the table. Yeah, all three of them are good lads, pretty decent. Yeah. But anyways, tomorrow's plan. Oh, sorry. So tomorrow's plan is to get up pretty early, get over to the start point and try and get up there and yeah, get pretty much half or 3/4 of it done by the time sunrise starts, and then yeah, hopefully see it nice along the tops. Yeah, excited for it. Christmas Day. I've had a Christmas Day like this in a long time, so just see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be good. And I have a feeling there might be more than me up there tomorrow. Yeah, there's a couple of cars turned up and a couple of vans turned up into this car park over the past couple of hours, so some people might have the same idea, but we'll see. I've just been, for the last couple of hours, just been watching a little bit on YouTube. Oh, my heater. So this down here, it is an absolute beauty. So that is called Mr. Heater. It's the portable buddy. I'll put a link in it in the description, because I was looking around for, well, probably since last winter I would say, for a heater like this, but I just didn't know what to get, and I was going to get the smaller one, but I thought it just looks a little bit too small. Then there's one a little bit bigger than this. I think it's the Big Buddy, I think it's called. I think that would just be too big, honestly. This one for in here, that is set on low. That is the lowest setting, and honestly, This place is hot. Like, I am hot. I mean, that thing is unreal. It's minus. I just checked my dashboard earlier. Actually, it's outside is -5 or -4. I think at the moment. When I went to get a shower earlier, it's just frost and ice outside. I nearly went flying outside the shower. So, unfortunately for you guys, I forgot to take the camera with me. So, yeah, you never got to see that. But I think I'm like head to sleep sometime soon. Can you hear Charlie snoring? Listen. So yeah, this is. Let me just give you a little show around actually before I go to bed. So can I show you? So down in the corner there. So that is basically my cafetiere for the morning. I've got my gas in the far corner just to keep it, just to get it going straight away. Got my little pans in the little plastic container there. Let me get my other finger out. In this little container here, it's got my knives and forks and yeah, all that in there. This is the little cooker, the orange dry bag. That is always my electric, so I know where it's at. What is that down there? Oh, that's the sleeping bag cover. Oh, Jesus, I am getting hot. I'm gonna have to knock this off. Shit, man. Bloody hell, that thing is putting out some heat. So that's it, knock it off now. Shit, that is hot. Whew. Yeah, so little table here. This is what I cook on, and I'll give you a better look in one of the other videos, but I'm thinking about maybe just putting something permanent here. I think I haven't decided yet. Sorry, thought I was getting in the way there. Yeah, I haven't quite decided, but I like it as it is at the moment. But I'm going to put something permanent just so I've got more storage, so there's more things away. And down this side is just my sleeping bag. I've got a woolly hat there in case it gets really cold during the night. And there, that's my backup jacket. And down on the floor down there, that's my shoes. And then I've got some also underneath the bed. I've got food. I've got the kitchen pans. Can't really think. I'm half asleep. I've got water, and down the far side is, I don't know what it is. Maybe we look. Oh, it's my hiking bag, so I can just pull it straight out. That's all ready to go for tomorrow. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and just finish this video here. First one of many. Like I say, I'm up in Scotland for around, I don't know how long for, 4 or 5 days maybe. I'm just gonna do all the. Oh, hello. Oi, down. Odin, lie down. Odin. Bloody hell. Yeah, so I'm going to be here for about 4 or 5 days. Oi. About 4 or 5 days, and just see how things go. Each day is just going to be a different video. It's going to be like a little series. So yeah, I will heading out early in the morning. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Just a little camping video, little basic one. Yeah, there'll be more. There will be hopefully better, and yeah, hopefully I'll be less tired. But me and the boys will see you on Christmas Day while we are out in the hills. So we will see you
next time. Oi.